I'm super excited today because it's Zero the Hero Day, and we are going to sing Zero the Hero counting song. Ready? Let's go. Zero the hero, and I'm here to say I like to count numbers every 10th day. Then and then we'll sit back down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop the ground. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Make sure you stop the ground. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Stop the ground. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Good job. Keep going. Stop the ground. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Stop the ground. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Good. Keep going. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Stop down. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. Oh, last set of 10. 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Sit back down. Good job, guys. Keep counting to 100.